This video is brought to you by Senior Life Simplified. Enjoy the video. Preparing and storing pre-made meals at home for seniors can be both rewarding and practical. It ensures nutritional needs are met, while reducing daily cooking time. Start by considering dietary requirements such as low sodium, high fiber, or diabetic-friendly options. Consult a healthcare provider if you're unsure about specific needs. Plan balanced meals with a good mix of proteins, whole grains, and veggies. Aim for variety to make meals appealing and avoid monotony. Once you've planned the meals, make a comprehensive grocery list. A well-organized list saves time and ensures you have all necessary ingredients on hand, reducing last-minute store trips. When preparing meals, dedicate a couple of hours one day a week for cooking in batches. Use large pots and cookware to make the process efficient. Focus on versatile ingredients, like grains and proteins that can be used across multiple dishes. When storing meals, invest in quality containers that are microwave safe, easy to open, and clearly labeled with contents and dates. This is crucial for avoiding confusion, especially for seniors who may struggle with memory. Store meals in single-serving portions. They're easier to reheat and more manageable for one person. A good practice is to have a mix of ready-to-eat dishes along with components that can be assembled quickly. Frozen meals can last 2 to 3 months, while refrigerated meals should be consumed within 3 to 5 days. Always cool food down before storing to maintain quality and avoid bacterial growth. Labeling meals with nutritional content can also be beneficial, especially for those monitoring calorie or salt intake. Creating an inventory list of meals in the freezer ensures rotation and helps plan when to replenish stocks. Encourage seniors to give feedback on meals so adjustments can be made for taste and dietary needs. Meal prep for seniors not only provides nutritious, convenient meals, but also offers peace of mind for both the seniors and their families. With careful planning and a bit of organization, you can significantly improve the mealtime experience for the seniors in your life. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe if you have not done so already, so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos. Also, you might like some of our other channels we have on YouTube, like short Bible stories, hard biblical questions, and top 10 most loved Bible verses. Please check them out. I think you will enjoy them. Thank you and God bless.